Okay, so let's make a shift knob. First thing you will need is one of these extra super bright, never lose them, I like to make stuff pencils. So what I do first is I will find the center of this piece of wood. Okay, let's drill a hole in the center. So here's the reason why I drilled the hole, because I need to connect my piece of wood directly to my wood lathe. Test run. It's a bit wobbly now, but it will change once it's round. So let's have a look. As you see now, we have the basic shape and the wood is still very rough, but I take care of that by sanding. So what I will do is I will take my 80 grit sandpaper and then go through the grids 80, 120, 180, 240, 320, 400, 600, 800 and then up to 4000 to make it smooth. And at the end I will make this part of the knob flat, and then we're done. So let's see. So for the finish, I use a special pen finish that is sold by the company Drechsel & Mehr in Germany. You can order it online. It's about 20 euros and it's really easy to use and gets you a high glossy finish. So let's do it. First coat is already dry. Let's put on the second coat. In the meantime, while we are waiting for the last coat to dry, I want to show you my special rack for my sanding paper, and there are some of my favorite YouTube woodworkers on it, and still some space to fill in some more. That is how it's the easiest way to get fast through the grids directly to the machine. And the third coat, I think, is turning out really good. So what I do for the last step is I will make this face straight so that I get rid of the little hole in there, and to make it nice and clean. So let's put this away. Go. This is our finished wooden shift knob. Because this part needs to be cut away and then to be drilled.